Hey, you ready for our date?
Sorry, I'm running behind, but you can come in and wait.
Oh, what if I take him on a walk while you finish getting ready? Do you have his leash?
Oh, sorry. Oh, perfect timing. Did you have fun? Oh, what's this?
Oh, I bought him a bandana with his name on it. Too much?
No, you're perfect. I mean, it's perfect.
Should we go?
Oh, yes. I thought you said you didn't like this place.
I don't, but it's the only place with outdoor seating, and I didn't want to leave Oliver home alone.
Really? This was fun. We should do it again sometime.
Yeah, I'd love to. Are you free
Yes.
next? Oh, I didn't say a day yet.
It doesn't